all my officers to be in the field. We have supplied enough food and transportation. Everything is available now. There is no excuse for anybody to reach the last person. Either morning breakfast, lunch or dinner. First, I want to reach every person. That is first step. Then second, drinking water also, I want to flood it. Third one, from here, I have to work for sanitation and rehabilitation. I will work all these things systematically.
So how are you combating the false news that is going on?
So only the way to educate people continuously, bring awareness among them. This type of politicians or media owners, they have to expel from society. That is only the way. Again, anybody is crossing their limits, I will take criminal action also, criminal or civil action also.
So some drones are being deployed in all across Andhra Pradesh. Now the Andhra Pradesh government has also set up several control rooms and also special helpline numbers. How does the state government plan to tackle all of these calls that you're receiving?
No, everybody is having a telephone number, everybody is having a house. So we are reaching every home, every person. Some people are misleading, some people are writing all these things. I have to handle them, I have to reach them. It is a double work, but in democracy sometimes we need more tolerance. I am showing my tolerance also.
Sir, there are complaints that authorities are not reaching them, though the food is there, it's getting wasted. Water is not reaching to colonies like Mumbai.
No, I have specified very clearly now, from today morning. Vehicles, person in the vehicles, material in the vehicle, who is responsible for distribution machinery, everything process, and also they are having a cell phone, they are having wireless, everything we have provided. There is no excuse for anybody to talk. They have to reach last mile. If they won't reach last mile, concerned person will be held responsible, will take action.
So any deaths that you can declare?
We are getting some remote areas, that also we are counting. We are doing what all possible. It is sometimes tragedy. Then you cannot count all these things. Finally, we will tell everything what is happening. But at least now, we have to dispose dead bodies. We have to perform rituals because family members are having some sentiments. All these things, what all possible, we will do.
So your message to the...
No, I am requesting all people of Andhra Pradesh to come liberally. What all possible from your side, either directly relief or you can come and work, it is left to you. All of you have to do that job. In Vijayawada also, they have to respond positively. Your fellow human beings next to you are suffering. That means you are not happy. You are not safe. That message everybody has to think. All of us has to work to restore them, to rehabilitate them.
Sir, how about the damages that is there that we can see?
No, Prakasham barrage, there is some damage. That also people are suspecting where it has come, that boats, all these things. Even that is where I am talking, Escobar. If you see all these things, so many criminal activities and blaming others. This is not good for the society. Generally, criminals handling is very difficult. They are only in that, either militants, either extremists or some rowdies, all these people very difficult. And at the same time, they are in politics doing all these things much more difficult. They are having a democracy as a shield, political party as a shield, and elected representatives are the coverage. So we have to handle them. But I am very clear, I wanted to educate people in a big way and isolate them from public life. One incident is enough. How he has done is Babai murder, how he behaved. Vivekananda murder. Can we support this type of people in public life? Criminals, murderers. That is what I want to establish. Every activity is conspiracy. Every activity is behind that something else. To handle straight away, I can handle anybody. Even rowdy, I can handle within 1 minute. But not a politician. Because of political cover, I have to handle extra careful.
So how has it been the conversation?
No, he is very positive. He said he will support everything. Government has sent nearly 30 NDRF teams, 120 motorized boats are working, even 6 helicopters they have sent. they are extending all the cooperation. Thank you.
You being there on the field,